And then he went back, and that's what I said, Siyata Dishmaya. I didn't see. He had a knife here. He took a knife. Berachmei Shamayim, there was like a light, and I saw something sparkling.
The knife sparkled.
Yeah, it was mamash in his hand, and he came to stamp, and Baruch Hashem, like that point, that's where you like...
Everything goes to 100.
That's it. There's nothing there. I broke his hand, I took the gun out, and almost shot.
Wow.
And then I stopped. And suddenly I chapped myself, you're holding a yid. What are you doing?
Wow.
And the Gemara says, right. It's a yid. What are you doing? You almost killed the guy. And the guy's bleeding. So leave me alone. Took the knife away. I took the gun back. I said to him, please, I was tearing. Please leave the neighborhood. Before I call the police, you have 15 seconds left. The guy got up, went out of there.
What stopped you?
Something said like, Avichai, look at the picture. You're holding a gun with a yid.
But you're talking about seconds.
Right.
And why not teach a lesson to this guy that he should stop with this?
Because it's not my tafkid, and he's a yid, which is a drug addict. And it's okay that I defend myself, it's fine. I'm not saying I did. But something was violent, something was bad. Now I can put it in a nice picture. You did. I can give you all the Torahs why it was right to do it that way. But something that felt to me like you did what you got to do. Let the guy, and he went away from there.
That he has the lesson already? But tomorrow he's going to do it in another neighborhood.
No, he's not.
He's going to take his say.
But I went home and I said, thank you for saving me.
Saving you from killing someone?
From getting killed. From killing a yid. And thank you for showing me that I still have what to fix in my midas, which I'm still too involved with the past.
So you're saying that this urge that's still in there, it's something to fix?
Yes.
Even if it's an emergency tactic?
No, but you should know that it's a deep thing that we're talking, and maybe we can go back to the story.
So once we get into the story,
it's going to be easier at the end to catch it in, to understand what is the problem here.